Hey guys, here's a new fan I got a little bit ago. This is a Encon Contempra. I got this down at the beach. There was a yard sale, like a couple houses near my beach house. And I got 3 of these. Here's the other 2. I'm gonna test those out later. But yeah, they're free, which was nice. I guess they're like remodeling or something. I don't know, but because like on some of these on the motor housing they have house paint on them a little bit, but these fans are really dirty, and they're on the non-stencil side, just the plain side. But I flipped them over because I like this, and it matches. This fan is from January of 1993. All of them are from January of 1993. So it has the Encon logos. They're a bit faded, they're yellowed, because it's basically like right at the beach. And this ring around the glass, it's like a little yeah, you can see there, it's a little corroded because of the sea air where this fan's probably mounted, probably out on the porch, I don't know. So it's got white stencil plain up there, and it barely does clear light. I actually put like this little like beam thing for the fan to sit down lower, because it was dangerously close to light. So, and plus this one has a bent blade. I forget which one it is. No, not that one. This one. You can see how it's kind of like a little to the right a little bit. Someone probably hit it. And it's also a little bit more steeply pitched. So yeah, turn on the light. I like these fans. At first, I didn't really like them too much at first, but until I saw that the stencil blades and stuff, I thought that these are really cool fans. But turn on to low. And they're surprisingly not that bad fans. This one doesn't really wobble that much. I mean, it doesn't really hum that much. It does wobble though. If you're wondering what that sound is in the background, it's the Chatham. I have it on high speed. It's super hot in here. It's supposed to be like in the 90s this week. Really hot. It's blowing a little bit of amount of air. I like these fans because they're basically like really simple fans, and like you can put them anywhere. Like I like that I have 3 of them, so that I can have like 3 of them in different spots of the house and enjoy them in each room. Yeah, put up to medium. This is where it starts to wobble a little bit. You can see the blades. The one is starts to, that bent blade, it's out of whack. It's a bit higher pitched than the other ones. And yeah, the reversing switch, it is in the updraft position. I guess it's either put in wrong, or it's just broken the other way. But I did test out reverse and it does work. But I guess whenever you're having an updraft, I guess you're having downdraft in the winter. It's reverse. And these fans are really similar to the Corinthian. But I kind of like this better because the Corinthian motor housing, it's basically the motor housing that's different. This one is more like a Littleton style. And these fans are similar to the Encon chili pepper. But they aren't as, but this isn't as near loud as the chili pepper. That one's really loud. A little too high. This is where it starts to wobble a little bit. It just sways. It's blowing a decent amount of air. I don't know if I'm gonna bend back the blade or not because I'm afraid if it's gonna snap. Which it will probably most likely do though. Light on. I really like the trim ring around it. It just adds to the brass. This fan looks pretty nice in white and brass. Turn it off. So yeah, that is a Encon Contempra ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. I'll get to videoing these ones in a bit. So yeah, that's it. Bye.